Today, I'm excited to be doing some math. The reason for something so shocking is that today, Google's Gemini AI has announced that they'll be providing free SAT practice if you ask for it. Now, the reason that's important to me is because I remember when I was in high school, I was looking for free SAT practice, and I was met with just the most predatory, money-hungry companies around. So if this is good, I am very excited for kids today and in the future to have a more level playing field where you don't have to pay a bunch of money to get good SAT practice. I'm gonna ask it, give me a practice SAT. It's thinking, it's using all the water in the world. Ah, wow, reading and writing and math. All right, I'm just gonna do the math one. It looks like there's a module 1 and 2. I'm guessing that's with and without calculator. I've got my tablet and stylus here so I could write on the screen. Start! What is the result of multiplying this by 4s minus 1? All right, so basically for this, you multiply each one across and then each one across, and then you kind of put them together if they have the same letter. And by the way, if I am wrong on any of these and I get the wrong answer, I will put it in the video. I do not care, okay? I know in my heart that I'm a functioning adult. It's been a while since I've done this stuff. It's be 32s cubed, 24s squared, plus 8s, minus 8s squared, plus 6s, minus 2. We do have an answer that matches here. I'm right! I can do math at a high school level. How do I clear this? How do I erase? Where's the eraser tool? Erase. What is it doing? What is it doing? Oh, it took that much computation to erase it? I thought it was gonna AI generate some slop. For a right rectangular pyramid with height h and square base with side length s, the volume is blah, blah, blah. So basically they just want the equation they gave in terms of s. 3b, because you get rid of this, divided by h, you get rid of this, square root, you get rid of this, and that is equal to s. All right, yeah. Why do kids hate math? Math is power. I'm glad I went without the time limit because this is taking forever just to erase it. Rectangle's length, 2x plus 5, and width, x minus 1. There are two sides with that length, two sides with that length. You add them together. So there's two of the sides, and there's two of the other sides, and then you combine these together like before, 6x plus 8. Pooah! If a is greater than 5, which of the following is equivalent to that I can barely read? 1 over a plus 5 plus 1 over a plus 4. All right, so basically, to add these, you need a common denominator. So I'm gonna cross multiply like this. I just have to combine them. Foil, which is a squared plus 9a plus 9. So that's what's in the bottom, and then the top is gonna be these two added. I'm making a mess. So a squared plus 9a plus 9 divided by 2a plus 9, which is this. Wait, no. Look at me, I made a mistake. I added the 4 and 5. You're supposed to multiply it. 4 times 5 is in fact 20. And I'm gonna leave it in the video. Like I said, I have no shame about doing errors in this. I haven't done this in years, but this should be the answer. Splat! I'm probably way behind on the time I'm supposed to take, but whatever. 60 equals 15 mNs plus 20, which is the value of 3 mNs plus 4. So basically, we have to find out how much a single mn is worth. Some people might get confused by this because they're like, oh, well, what's mn? It doesn't matter. That's what a lot of these problems probably come down to. It's like, what is important and what's not? If you want, this is 8 over 3, and that's what mn is equal to. So 3 mn's, and then also plus 4, because that's what they put in the problem. So it's going to be 8 plus 4 equals 12, and we've done it. I'm actually just going to stop here and go to the other section. I think this part has proven itself to be pretty competent. There were no issues at all where it said like total nonsense. So let's do module 2. Oh, wait. Oh, do I have to finish module 1 to do module 2? It turns out, yes, I did have to finish module 1, but fortunately I was able to just spam through with a bunch of random answers. And if you take a look here, it has free response, graph reading, and plot reading questions, so pretty good. All right, set of medium and hard questions. If x plus y equals 0, what must be equivalent to x minus y? All right, we want to find x minus y equal to, call it z. So for something like this, I would just set x or y equal to something based on what we know. So we'll do x equals negative y minus y equals z, which is negative 2y. Is that an option? Yes. Oh, amazing. As you could probably tell from that question, it turns out section 2 was actually not noticeably harder or easier than section 1. I did a couple more questions to verify that, and they were pretty much the same difficulty. So here are my final thoughts on the whole thing. Anyways, this was pretty solid. I have high hopes for the future with this stuff. Of all the horrible garbage and slop that AI is used for, free and accessible SAT prep is certainly not part of it. So good job, Google. You get thumbs up from me. If you want to see not this, me playing video games, be sure to check out my channel for more. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.